Hot stock time! This is Monique. First of all, congratulations for all the people who watched my previous video and bought Zip. Zip increased $2 per share overnight. I am so pleased for your earnings. Congratulations again. Okay, today's hot stock, AGH. AGH definitely is a hidden star in the stock market. AGH is a global pharmaceutical company and also medicine cannabis supplier. And we all know medicine cannabis have a huge market and it's expected to increase to 44.4 billion in US dollars globally between now and 2024. Okay, hold tight guys. I will go through with all the milestones that AGH achieved this quarter, the quarter of October to December. Let's go. Number 1, 15th October. Great quarter report with 32% increase from the June quarter. Number 2, 16th November. Peak lift expected revenue with 2 new agreements. Number 3, 18th November. Ascenia products approved for sale in Germany. Number 4, 1st December. Peak to manufacture US cannabis brand Tinleys in Canada. Number 5, 3rd December. Ascenia expand into South Africa with new supply agreement. Number 6, 8th December. Strong UK sales combined for record revenue in November. Also 48% month-on-month growth. Number 7, 15th December capital rise and the investor presentation shows revenue increased 560% from financial year of 2019 to 2020. Number 8, 16th December, CBD medicine available for over-the-counter sale from 2021. Number 9, 11th January, December sales exceed 1.19 million with 90% monthly growth in UK and also achieved the record sales increase 40% from November. Australian sales were a record, again an increase 22% month on month. Number 10, successful completion of shares purchase plan. And here is a beauty point. Sought to raise 3 million through share purchase plan due to exceed demand and resulting oversubscriptions. The company has accepted a higher amount of 3.781 million to a total of 9.781 million. And now the quarter is due shortly. Have a look at this share price chart. Here and here looks very similar to me, and if that's the case, this is the direction what we expect with AGH. Phew! What a no-brainer stock of AGH. And you guys know what to do. Please remember, like and subscribe. I want to know how fast you make your $1 million. So I will see you on the next hot stock in my video. Bye!